Creating recurring appointments is done by using existing appointments and generating repeats into future weeks. If you don't have one to work from, you may create a new one. All appointments that exist can be found in the Appointments tab on the left. They can be filtered through to find specific appointments. You may also use the Advanced Scheduling table to find them. First, open the appointment you wish to repeat. In order to be able to generate repeats, make sure you have selected a budget for the client, and also make sure there is at least one item in the Cost Items section. This can be added by clicking on New Item. If you make any of these changes, save your changes and refresh the page. Then go to Related Appointments. On this page, you may see some colored blocks. These are the client's past appointments, and the different colors will correspond to appointment type. To start booking recurring appointments, put in how frequently you would like to repeat them and how many you want to book. Let's say we are booking once a week for 10 weeks. Then click on Schedule Appointments. This will show a projection of what appointments you can and can't book without officially booking them. Projections begin from the date the initial appointment was booked for. Here we can see that the worker assigned to the client is not available in the next slot, but will be available for the next 10 in the same time of the week. If you are happy with what you see, click on Create Appointments, which will make the bookings official. Doing this has added the new bookings below. You will also be able to find them in the Appointments tab. Each appointment is independent of one another, so making changes to individual appointments like reschedules, cancellations, or detail changes will not affect the other appointments that were made at the same time. The system is also able to show you if the room you chose for the original appointment does not work for future weeks and when it will be available again. You can either create the appointments in green by clicking on Create Appointments. Alternatively, if you hover over the unavailable projections, it will show you other available rooms. By choosing one, you will be able to book for these new slots. Some appointments in the projection may say that they exceed budget. This means that these appointments exceed the client's budget, so the client may need to adjust their budget or be required to change their appointment plan. Something else you might see is exceeds budget end date, which, as the name suggests, means that the future appointments exceed the end date of the budget, which may need to be extended or acknowledged another way. Despite this, you are still able to book the future appointments. However, you will have to acknowledge these issues in the near future to have them resolved in the system. In the meantime, they will display as invalidated. Thanks for watching. Contact Smart App Business Solutions for Dynamics 365, CRM, and ERP solutions.